Determine the product settings and usages. Setting the alkaline base is done with the standard alkaline titration kit, taking a sample out at the arch and following the titration chart for that product. Setting the low pH product is done with the standard acidic titration kit, again taking a sample at the arch and following the titration chart for that product. Outside of the pre-soaks, all other Ultraflex products will be set through the measuring of the usage per application, volumetrics. Because Ultraflex is a highly concentrated product, usage will be set in low amounts of milliliters. A 100 and 250 milliliter graduated cylinder should be used. Take a gallon of product. Place the chemical line with foot valve into the 250 milliliter cylinder and fill to the 250 milliliter line. It's best to run several cars through to get a good read on the amount of product used. Using the 100 milliliter cylinder, fill the 250 milliliter cylinder back to the original start line. Read the amount of product used from the 100 milliliter cylinder and divide by the number of vehicles washed. Make changes to tips or pump settings as necessary. Repeat for all products and record the results. You can also do volumetrics with a counting scale. It will speed up the process. First, place the scale in a convenient location that is firm and level. Turn on the scale and wait for it to run through its startup routines. Second, place your container of product on the scale. If using the reservoir, place it to the side so that it is sturdy on the scale, and insert the draw tube. If possible, suspend the draw tube so that it doesn't touch the container. If that's not possible, make sure that the draw tube is secure and not going to change its effect on the weight of the container. Third, if necessary, draw product through the system to be sure that it has reached the point of application. Then, press the tare button on the scale to set the starting weight at 0.0 kilograms. Run the application for the desired number of cars, or predetermined time that is equal to the application time for the desired number of cars. For greater accuracy, we suggest using multiple cars per measurement. Finally, calculating use per vehicle. Read the decrease in product weight on the scale and multiply by 1,000 to convert kilograms to grams. Make note to ignore the dash. Then divide the number by the specific gravity for the product tested, as provided in the table, to determine the total milliliters of the product used. Finally, divide the total milliliters by the number of cars to determine the milliliter per car.